Hello, let me introduce myself. My name is Carlos Antonio Cisneros Iglesias. Today, we are going to explain about a business located in Peru. I am referring to Latam Airlines Peru. Description of company. Latam Airlines Peru, known as Latam Peru or simple Latam, is an airline corporation of Chilean origins in a branch of Latam Airlines Group. It was founded in 1998 in Lima by three businessmen and one lawyer, Boris, Lorenzo, Christian, and Javier. In 1999, it began its official operation from Lima to Cusco and Arequipa under the name LAN. But many years later, in 2016, it changed its brand to LATAM. It is dedicated air transportation for passengers and cargo. In addition, it offers um, 18 national destinations and 34 international destinations for its clients. In these activities, we are going to analyze Latam Airlines Peru. Mission: the company mission is offers passengers the best route in South America to create better connectivity with the region, provide information and solutions to customers' needs in timely manner. Vision: the company vision is become a sustainable and admired company not only in South America, but throughout the world. In addition, promote economic, social, and environmental development the place with its operations. Smart goals: the company goals has two short-term goals and two long-term goals. Let's start to short-term goals. First, be a zero waste to landfill group and reduce the overexploitation the resources. Second, elimination and single-use plastic in all its operation to protect the health the passengers and environment. Finally, long-term goals. First is reduction 50% of domestic emissions, replacing it with sustainable fuel. And second goal is be a carbon neutral growth. Take necessary measures to avoid air pollution.
Okay. Hello, I'm Jefferson Alexander Crisóstomo Calderon. In this part, I'm talking about slow analysis. First, we have strikes. Latam Airlines in Peru has a strong market presence, a modern fleet of aircraft, and a solid brand recognition, providing it with a strong competitive position in a loyal customer basis. For another hand, we have opportunity. The growth of the tourism market in Peru offers an opportunity for Latin airlines to expand its customer bases in a increased revenue by leveraging its road network and strategic alliances. And two, we have weaknesses. Dependencies on the tourism and the vulnerability to economic conditions in Peru may affect the financial stability of Latam Airlines, highlighting to need diversified revenue source and improve operational efficiency. And finally, we have threat. For example, political topics intense the competition in the airline market in Peru. along with potential economic fluctuations and increasing operation costs, pose significant threats to Latam Airlines. uh, that's necessitating proactive risk management and a differentiation strategy to maintain this market position. Okay, in this part, the result of the SWOT analysis is four strategies. Uh, First, strengths and opportunity strategies. Strategies the brand to the road networking through strategic alliances. That's the same in Latam Airlines in Peru will seek to enhance its competitive through strategic alliances that allow it to explain the road network and, and offer customers more complete and attractive travel options. Okay, and the result to straits and threat strategies is in diversification of service and market segmentations. Okay, that says the company will focus on diversifying its service and segmenting the market to reduce dependence on tourists and mitigating the impact for external threats, taking advantage of this brand recognition and a strong presence in the Peruvian market. Okay, and for another hand, the result of the witness in opportunity strategies is improve operational efficiency through the adoption of technology. That says Latam Airlines will improve operational efficiency by adopting technology and digitalization to reduce operating costs and improve customer experiences, taking advantage of available technology and digital opportunities. And finally, the result of witness and trend strategies is diversification of income source and risk management. That says, the company will focus on diversification its revenue source and proactively management financial risks, and to manage the impact of the potential economic fluctuation and increasing operational costs. They were minimizing international weakness and avoiding external threats. That is all.
Hello, my name is Yanela Esparza Trevejo, and today I will talk about market research of Latam Airlines Peru. We find Sky Airlines and Avianca as direct competitors on domestic flights, which also sells air tickets with different categories so similar to Latam. In the case of Sky Airlines, it differentiates itself with more accessible prices to destinations within Peru, but maintains very good quality of service. For example, a one-way flight to the city of Trujillo is $39, and in the case of Viva Air and Arajet, they are indirect competitors that sell their tickets at low cost and are domestic flights, but some benefits are not included, like choosing your seat or having a luggage hand on flight.
Hi, my name is Sergio Ramirez Becardante. In continued in the exposition. Thank you. Thank. Continuing with the presentation on the best analysis of Latin Airlines, we can see that it's divided in four. One, political. Two, economic. Three, social. And four, technological. Political, the positive regulation and air permits can impact on Latin operating breeding benefits. In the negative, fiscal or monetary policies affecting operational costs or tickets. In economic, in the positive, Latam Airlines improves the customer experience and to increase passenger loyalty and satisfaction. In social, economic, um, and social, and the positive, the economic increase in Peru could benefit Latam because and world increased travel demand. In the negative, um, after COVID, the risk of new pandemics increased, affecting the confidence in in technological. Um, one option is artificial intelligence in deposit in data analysis advanced system optimize roads. In the negative, cybersecurity uh, and attacks such as ransomware we can affect the operation and security of critical system. We moved on to the next. Porter Porter Force. What we understand by Porter Price Force for Latam Airlines Peru. And five options: bargaining power of suppliers, bargaining power of buyers, threat of new competitors, threat of substitute productions, competitions between current competitors. What we understand by bargaining power of suppliers, and supply might have some power if they offer unique products or service or online offer certain products or service. Number two, bring power of buyers. What we understand by and shoppers can compare price options, service and flight schedules to make informed decisions. Traits of new competitors and significative the threat of the new competitors may be moderate, especially given the presence of regional and low-cost airlines. Threat of substitute products. However, air travel offers speed and combinations that offers mode of transportation often cannot match. And finally, a competition between current competitors. Competitions focuses on factors such as price, flight schedules, and flight amenities and loyalty programs. Thank you.
Now I will talk about marketing mix, the 7 Ps. Product. Latam Airlines product is air tickets offered to people to travel whether on domestic or international flights. The price depends on the chosen category, which is the basic, light, plus, or premium rates. There is a clear difference between the categories. The higher the price a customer pays, the better the benefits they obtain. For example, a luggage hand is included free of charge in all categories except basic. Prices in economy on a domestic flight start at $49 in the month of July, being the cheapest to the city of Huaraz. On an international flight with an economy fare, the most expensive is to Atlanta at $1,232, and this type of ticket includes round trip. Place: The airline's ticket sales can be found virtually on its website www.latamairlines.com, and tickets can be purchased physically at the LATAM service modules within the airport. Promotion: LATAM Airlines offers its advertising in commercials that can be seen on television, videos on the internet, and also offers promotions such as mileage exchange and Cyber LATAM, where they lower their prices, which is a strategy that keeps a customer loyal. About people, LATAM works with contact staff who are much more visible to the public compared to the support staff. For example, The contact personnel are hostesses, check-in receptionists, CIP lounge managers, boarding receptionists, and salespeople in the service modules. And in the other hand, we have the support personnel that are the baggage and cargo handling personnel related to the provision of catering, cleaning and maintenance personnel, boarding exception assistance personnel, and the pilots. Process: the ticket is delivered virtually if the purchase is made online, and is delivered physically if the purchase is made in the service module. To receive the service, you must go to the airport, go to the service modules to check in person, or currently, it can also be done virtually. Then hand the suitcase to the staff, wait it, enable it, go to the corresponding gate, and wait to board to the flight. Physical environment corresponds to the seat, the cabin where you travel, the amenities such as cushions, the entertainment of free movies, series, and music, and the catering and economic or VIP waiting rooms.
Latam Peru focus on human resource strategies that promotes the development of local talent, diversity and inclusion, and the provision of the company's composition and wellness program to cultivate a positive work environment. This not only warrants a committed and diverse lane, but also drive the company's success in the Peruvian market. Operation strategies: Latin Peru prioritizes operational efficiency through robust supply chain management, the adoption of technology innovations to improve customer experience and safety, as well as fair commitment and environment sustainability and quality and safety management. These measures combine to ensure reliable and sustainable operations, providing an optimal travel experience for passengers while maintaining the highest quality and safety standards. Okay, and finally, this is a small summary about LATAM. LATAM Airlines is a leading airline in Latin America, stand out for offering exceptional travel experience based on top-notch customer service and meticulous attention to details. In order to mention its position as a benchmark in the industry, LATAM has committed to expanding its presence in the market and achieving carbon neutrality by 2030, thus demonstrating the environmental responsibility as a long-term vision, despite competitive and economic changes. LATAM remains as a pioneer thanks to in the focus of service qualities and operational efficiency, which are fundamental to meeting the needs of the customer and maintaining its position as a leader in the Latin American aviation industry. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for your attention.